Hi guys, I'm just going to show you how to connect our 12.3 inch Android screen into this Vogue L322. Now there is this type of system which comes, if your car's 2002 to 5, then obviously you don't need this optic box down here, but if it's 2005 onwards, then I'm going to show you how the connections all connect together. Also, a lot of people make the misconception of cables not matching, because what they do is pull the dash out, find out all these cables here which don't match the cables in the box. That's one reason only, is because you have to go into the footwell of the car, the passenger seat. This here is your amplifier of the car. If it's a left-hand drive, then obviously it's all over on the other side. But this box here, all your cables that come out of this part here, you need to feed up into the, just around here, this section, and pull them through to here. And then obviously this is where it all matches all the cables of the car. You'll have that one there, which basically comes from the amp. You'll also have a couple of other cables which are not needed, like the likes of this one here, that one there, this one here. And you also have an optic cable which comes out to the amp, which then goes into this box here. This one comes with a power cable which is already wired into the main loom here, so it makes it easier for you. You also get this little filter box here for the aux, and then obviously this is where the aux in are, and aux, excuse me a second, see these aux in R and aux in L, so that goes into this box here. You can see them color coded. This one here, which is the original camera cable, this one goes to your brown input here. Just to let you know, the 12.3 screen does come with this cable here, but you don't get that with the 10.25, so just bear that in mind. Some systems don't have it. This black one here, which is your FM AM, which goes direct into the back of the system down here. Let me see if I've missed anything. Oh yeah, this cable here, which is another optic cable. This comes out the back of your old screen, and you will get an optic loop cable in here just connected to this. Obviously you're not breaking the cycle of the optic signal, so obviously that circulates back in there, so you get your sound. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you liked the video, and if you got any questions, give us a shout. Thank you. Bye bye.